Hi, welcome to our channel. 2024 Kia Forte review and prices. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Pros. Loaded with features at a lower price than most competitors. High fuel economy. Easy to use tech and infotainment system. Generous warranty. Cons. Ride quality is a bit too stiff at times. Back seat lacks the room of some rivals. What's new? No significant changes are expected. Part of the third Forte generation introduced for 2019. Overview. Modern small cars are more stylish, sophisticated and technologically advanced than ever. And while they still commonly serve as the entry point to a brand, they frequently deserve a descriptor other than entry-level. Case in point, the 2024 Kia Forte. Though it's been half a decade since Kia's compact sedan got a complete redesign, it remains an appealing choice backed up by an industry-leading warranty. It provides lots of value for your dollar as well as pleasing performance in the GT line and GT trims. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.